friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I make my Ayurvedic herbal infused oil. Like I mentioned in a few videos back, I'm trying to try out some Ayurvedic product to see whether it will even increase the thickness, if it will increase the thickness of my hair more. So that is what I'm going to do, and I've noticed that this hair really helps my hair grow, and it also makes my hair very soft and also very strong. So I'm going to show you the things that you will need to make this oil, and I'm also going to show you the 3 ways that I use this oil on my hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get straight into the video. Before I get into the video though, I would like to shout out my products. Do check out my printables. I have Adinkra Kente printables. I also have Kente Planner printables. I also have Kente Animal Nursery printables. Lately I've also been incorporating some African symbols and printables and all those jazz. I'll put a link in the description below, so do check it out and let me know what you think. So for this infused oil, you will need a container where you're going to store your oil and your herbs in it. The oils that I'm going to use are argan oil, olive oil, almond oil, and also castor oil. I really chose these oils because I know that they will not weigh my hair down, because I also plan on using this oil to seal my hair. I am going to incorporate it into my moisturizing routine, so I need to make sure that it's not too thick. So I have to make sure that I'm not using only thick oils, because then it's going to weigh down my hair. As you all know, I moisturize my hair every other day, so the chance of the oils weighing down my hair will increase if I use thick oils. So you also need some Ayurvedic herbs that you're going to use for this oil. I chose these oils specifically for my hair type. I'm using I think about 6 or 7 different herbs, and all these herbs have a few things in common. I will mention that in the next clip that you are going to see. So what I'm trying to say that is it's really important for you to choose herbs that are going to work for your hair. So I have some herbs like amla, fenugreek, hibiscus, shikakai, brahmi, neem, aloe vera, moringa, and all those good herbs. I also have moringa that I got from Ghana. I totally forgot that I had these, and I went ahead and ordered new ones. So I will be giving these away to one of you guys, so let me know in the comment section if you want it, and I will contact you and you send your address and I'll ship it out to you. So I'm going to show you how I use this oil on my hair. The first way that I use it on my hair is for scalp massages. We all know that scalp massage stimulates hair growth with or without oil, but with this oil it makes it even more to stimulate hair growth. So that's what I use it for. The second way that I use this oil is to moisturize my hair. So I have incorporated it in my moisturizing routine. I have a video where I show you really in depth how I moisturize my hair every other day. So I go ahead and add my beautiful Textures moisturizer to my hair, and then I seal that in with the oil. I really love moisturizing my hair with this oil. It makes my hair really soft. For some reason I'm trying to pinpoint which particular herb that contribute to the softness, but it also makes my hair really strong. So the third way that I use this oil is to moisturize my scalp. I have noticed that sometimes, I don't know if it's because of the strengthening property in this oil, sometimes after 2 days it kind of dries out my scalp, and the way that I battle this is to go in with water first, something to moisturize my scalp first, and then I go in with the oil to oil my scalp. And this I have noticed that helps really much. So in the beginning of the clip you will see that I spray water on my hair, and then I go in with the oil. So let's get straight into how I make this oil. So each powder I'm going to use, I use 1 tablespoon of each powder, excluding the fenugreek. I use 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek, and I think 2 tablespoons of the hibiscus powder. So like I mentioned in the previous clip, I really chose all these powders specifically for my hair type. All these powder have a few things in common, and that is why I chose them. I chose them because I know that these powders are known for, stimulating hair growth, but I also know that it's known for also thickening your hair. And the main way that I want to use these powders is to thicken my hair, but also to stimulate hair growth. So that's why I chose these specific powders. So like I said, it's really important for you to go ahead and do your own research and see which powder is going to work best for your hair. So even before I tried this oil on my hair, I knew from the start that it's going to work very well on my hair based on the research that I did before I mixed these powders. I will link all the powders down below in the description box so that you can go ahead and take a look at it yourself. So I also went ahead and added my oils. I added 5 tablespoons of my avocado oil, my almond oil, and my argan oil. I added only 2 tablespoons of my castor oil because of castor oil is very thick, and like I mentioned before, I will be sealing my hair with this oil also, so I don't want it to be weighing my hair down. So after that, I went ahead and gave it a good stir, and I filled the rest of the jar up with olive oil. I also added a few drops of peppermint essential oil and tea tree essential oil. That is, but I didn't show it in the clip. I forgot to show it in the clip. So after adding all the powder and the oils, I went ahead and gave it a really good stir, and then I covered it up. As you can see, it has this really nice deep dark brown color, rich dark brown color. So I placed it in hot water for about 30 minutes, and after that I kept it in a dark place for 24 hours. So you will see how the oil looks like after 24 hours. So this is how it looks like after 24 hours. As you can see, the powder, the herbs have all settled down and the oil has separated itself. So I'm going to place it in my applicator bottle for easy usage of it. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I really love this oil, and I will be doing it, and I will be incorporating it in my natural hair regimen. It makes my hair really soft for some reason, and it also makes my hair really strong. Like I mentioned before, it's really important to moisturize your hair very well while using these oils, because sometimes when it makes your hair strong, it can come across as dryness, but your hair does not break off. But it's always good to moisturize your hair really well when you're using this oil, because you never know, you don't want to risk it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll definitely speak to you in my next video. Bye.